Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my analysis for the EUR/US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame. So yesterday, the euro dollar definitely did make a nice big engulfing move up, and this was a Fibonacci retracement level of this move up. So it definitely does look like a pretty significant turn. Now, in my eyes, there's only two things that can happen. Option number one is that this move up is a pullback to this move down. It goes to a Fibonacci retracement level and then continues down for either a wave 3 or a wave C, because the first push down would be either an A or a 1, and this would be either a B or a 2. So definitely a possibility that we get another push down to break structure for a 3 or to make a higher low for a C and end up continuing up like that. Option number two is that the weekly and the monthly time frame trend is up, and because of that, this is just like another higher low, and it just continues the uptrend. Definitely got to keep an eye out for that continuation of the uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely personally would be looking for longs. I would want to see a proper pullback. I would like to see something like this, a nice 1, 2, 3 pullback. So if this does end up making, something like that over the next day or so, nice 1, 2, 3 way pullback, a nice higher low, then that definitely would be the entry that I would be looking for. Hopefully, we can be looking for longs and we can learn and earn at the same time whether this move up is the continuation of the weekly, monthly time frame uptrend or whether this move up turns into a very overlapping corrective pattern for either a wave B or a wave 2. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thanks for watching and happy trading.